What's up, thrill seekers? Today I'm giving you my full review of the Flash Vertical Velocity, the brand new roller coaster at Six Flags Great Adventure. Is it worth the hype? Stick around to find out what makes this Vekoma launch coaster a must ride. Spoiler alert, it's good, but there's one part that totally caught me off guard. That backwards double downhill is absolutely wild. More on that in a second. So, the Flash Vertical Velocity is one of the first of these next generation Vekoma launch coasters to open in the United States of America. And honestly, it's a breath of fresh air. From the slick red track in the superhero Zeman to the smooth ride experience, this coaster brings serious energy to the park. The launch out of the station is punchy and fun, and the element that follows delivers airtime, twist, and surprise. But the standout moment for me, that backwards double downhill. It's intense, it's unique, and it's something I never experienced on a coaster before. Catches you completely off guard in the best way. This ride proves that Vekoma is on the rise with their next gen thrill coasters, and I really hope that we see more of these pop up across the United States of America soon. They are smooth, creative, and packaged with energy, exactly what thrill parks need right now. If Six Flags keeps working with Vekoma like this, the future is looking bright for American coaster fans. So, have you ridden the Flash Vertical Velocity yet? Let me know what your thoughts in the comments. And if you like more coaster content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more ride reviews, park vlogs, or POVs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you one day in the park. Stay drilling.